Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper towel. First of all, you need 2 paper cups. Next, you need a paper. It will not be a paper towel, okay? It will just be a paper, any color that you want, okay? Now, you want your paper to turn to this. Now use this part and put this part out of here. Okay, now after you finish all the instructions that you want to do, then next, let's do a paper towel. First of all, you might just want to fold to make a hole, like you just fold, but don't fold all. Like you will fold here, and then the other side will be here. That's the first thing. Now second off, for a tiny little bit to the side of here, and do it on the other side too. Okay, now open it. And then you see that you are done on the first try. Second, you need the cups. Now finally, just put this here on the top and then you are finally done. That's done. But now, what you gonna do to try, is it really roughly or just not roughly? You would like to put the coins. Here are my coins. It is on the old one that I showed you on the first video. Now I will show it down. Here. Okay, here. So now put one at a time. No falling. No falling. Still no falling. No falling. No falling. Okay, let's put 2 at a time now. These 2. Now let's put over here. Now, to try. Put it over here. Now, yes. And finally, 2 of the final ones. There. Get here. Okay, that is all of the coins that I have, and now it still stands for it, even when it's moving downwards, down like that. So that is how to make a paper towel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.